Based on DJI's recent drone launches and the clear direction the company is heading with its technology, we can make some solid predictions about the upcoming DJI Air4. DJI has been carefully refining its product lineup, and the Air series continues to hold a crucial position in that ecosystem. It perfectly balances performance and price, making it a go-to choice for creators. In this video, we're diving into everything, from expected design changes and camera upgrades to new features and the possible release timeline of the DJI Air4. So make sure to stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Technify for more exciting tech updates. A recent leak shared by well-known source Jasper Ellens created a wave of excitement across the drone community. The image showed a damaged prototype drone, and many initially believed it was the upcoming DJI Air4. At first glance, the design strongly resembled the Mavic 4 Pro, especially due to the placement of its obstacle avoidance sensors. These sensors appeared to be positioned almost identically, which quickly led to speculation that DJI might be bringing flagship-level design elements into the Air series. Another detail that stood out was the structure of the drone's arms. Compared to the Air 3S, the arms looked slightly thicker and more reinforced. This suggested that DJI could be focusing on improving durability and structural integrity, which would be a welcome upgrade for users who fly in more demanding conditions. However, once the leaked image was enhanced, reducing noise and sharpening details, a major inconsistency became clear. The prototype didn't have a camera module. This was a huge red flag because the Air series is known for its dual camera system, which has become a defining feature of the lineup. Removing the camera entirely would not make sense for a product in this category. When analysts compared the leaked drone side by side with a Mavic 4 Pro at the same scale, the conclusion became much clearer. The leaked unit was most likely a crashed Mavic 4 Pro test model rather than an early DJI Air 4 prototype. While that may have disappointed some fans, it also redirected attention toward what the Air 4 could realistically offer. Looking ahead, it's highly unlikely that DJI will discontinue the Air series. This lineup plays a crucial role in bridging the gap between the ultra-compact mini-drones and the high-end Mavic series. It delivers premium features at a more accessible price point, making it a favorite among both enthusiasts and professionals. In terms of design, the Air 4 could adopt elements from DJI's newer design language. This might include a more aerodynamic body, refined contours, and possibly a larger, more advanced camera housing. Despite that, it's expected to retain the dual camera setup rather than moving to a triple camera system like the Mavic series. The primary camera could feature a 1-inch sensor with a wide-angle lens, offering improved low-light performance and better dynamic range. The secondary camera is likely to maintain the 70mm lens with 3x optical zoom, though it may receive a sensor upgrade for sharper and more detailed shots. This dual-camera combination has already proven to be extremely versatile for aerial photography and videography. Another major area of improvement could be obstacle detection. The Air 3S introduced LiDAR base detection with a range of around 25 meters. The Air 4 is expected to build on this with more advanced AI-powered subject tracking and smarter obstacle avoidance. This would result in smoother automated shots and increased reliability during complex flight paths. Transmission range is also likely to improve. While the Air 3S already offers up to 20 kilometers, the Air 4 could extend that to around 25 kilometers. DJI typically maintains a careful balance here to avoid overlap with its other drone categories. Battery life could see a modest but meaningful upgrade as well. With the current generation offering around 45 minutes of flight time, the Air 4 might push closer to the 50-minute mark thanks to improved efficiency and optimized motors. When it comes to pricing, DJI will likely stick to its established structure. The Fly More combo could be priced around $1,500, while a potential creator combo with enhanced storage and a premium controller might reach up to $2,500. Additional features could include built-in 4G connectivity and possibly an official electronic ND filter system tailored specifically for the Air series. With an estimated weight of around 700 grams, the Air 4 is expected to maintain excellent stability and strong wind resistance, two of the key reasons why this lineup remains so popular. So, while the leaked prototype may not have been the DJI Air 4, it definitely sparked some exciting discussions about what's coming next. Based on DJI's current trajectory, the Air 4 is shaping up to be a powerful upgrade with smarter features, improved performance, and refined design. If DJI gets the balance right again, this could easily become one of the most popular drones in its category. Let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about, and make sure to subscribe to Technify so you don't miss any future updates.